Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you like the video. Then please like, subscribe and share. Rainy season. All species were planted during the rainy season. In the rainy season, herd animals use the stored food. In the rainy season, the paths were virtually impassable. There are two clearly defined seasons, a rainy season from March to June and a dry season for the remaining months. In some parts, it rises into irregular uplands and elevated plains, interspersed with detached rocks of granite. In other, it sinks into marshy lowlands, which frequently remain underwater during the rainy season. The prevailing winds are from the northwest in this region, and westerly winds in the rainy season are usually accompanied by rain. So uniform is the level over a great part of these plains that in the rainy season hundreds of square miles are submerged and the country is covered with a network of connecting channels. On the other hand, an ozoneless east wind is occasionally experienced, especially during the second half of May and before the beginning of the rainy season, which has a prejudicial influence on both animal and vegetable life. During the rainy season, they render communication between different parts of the country extremely difficult. The road is narrow and difficult during rainy season.